Hey guys, it's Sarah from Altcoin Lady. So it's been a while since I've done a live, and I thought I'll do one because I'll be away this weekend, so I might actually not be able to provide you videos, which I'm absolutely sad. But you can always catch me on Twitter at Altcoin Sarah. So if there's anything, remember to hit me up on there. Subscribe to Altcoin Ladies, and let's get on with today's topic. But before we do so, I'm gonna first ask you all, what is your solution to the problem of cryptocurrency hacks happening like it's a sort of a sale? Like fashion weeks happen less often than cryptocurrency exchange hacks. So there is definitely something that needs to be done, but I'm gonna let people come in and I'm going to analyze the market for a couple of seconds. So we've got the market cap at 267 billion right now, with a Bitcoin dominance at 48.7%. Bitcoin's currently trading at 7,562 to be pretty precise, and it's staying strong above 7.5 cap. However, it's gonna be interesting to see what the weekend's gonna bring. We know that weekends are usually very bearish, and if something will happen, it'll be basically very exciting few days in front of us. We've got Ethereum at $412. I mean, those prices are amazing, and whenever I make a video, I never try and shill any coins or anything like that. I'm just reviewing the market. I haven't looked at it for a few hours now. I know, right? Crazy. And I just like to be live and honest with how I feel about certain coins. And the top 10 is the safest sort of an investment, I would say. And it's not professional financial advice. So we've got Ripple at 43 cents. EOS is at $7.10 exactly. Litecoin, if you look at their graph over the last 7 days, they had some massive news, but I completely forgot it right now. Oh, that is so bad. We've got Litecoin at $76 right now. Cardano is just going down, and it seems like there is no end to the dip of it. Neo is an absolute bargain right now, and I mean, VeChain, Omisago, those cryptos are just such a bargain. I'm really thinking of just buying some more stuff, but I can't. Like, I need to save up. But anyway, safe to invest, unsafe to save, basically. So guys, if you're watching this video right now, hit the like button. You literally helps me so much with making sure that this video gets to everyone who is interested in it. So hit the like button. Let me know what is your opinion about the whole cryptocurrency hacks, which are absolutely horrendous. I mean, how much money can actually be stolen before something will happen, and some sort of a, not regulation, but some sort of a control will actually happen in the market? So let me know in the comments, guys. And I'm going to get on with the topic now, because I've been talking for quite a while. So I found those really cool graphs that I wish I could share with you guys, but I'm a bit useless at it. So I'm going to go through many articles and historical steals of exchanges and the tokens from it. So we'll start off with BitHamp, which is a popular cryptocurrency exchange in South Korea, which sent something iffy last month. After a rival was hacked earlier in June, BitHamp experienced a rise in failed user logins and unauthorized access attempts, according to an exchange official who asked not to be named. And BitHamp added more online security personnel to conduct extensive checks and move more of its digital currency reserves into its offline storage. However, it unfortunately wasn't enough. And on June 19th, God, it's August already. I just looked on the calendar. I still thought we're in July. I was going to say last month. Seoul-based BitHamp said it lost over 30 million worth of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in a cyber attack. It has since obviously recovered, lowering its losses estimate to 17 million. It's so much money, and I'm only just starting. So actually, since 2011, there have been 56 cyber attacks directed at cryptocurrency exchanges, initial coin offerings, and other digital currency platforms around the world, according to analysis by Autonomous Research, which is a London-based financial services like a research firm, bringing the total of hacking-related losses to $1.6 billion. $1.6 billion. That's 3 times of what cryptocurrency market cap itself was at its all-time high. And obviously, I mean, going to the hacks is some of the biggest hacks occurring at the Japanese exchange Mt. Gox and Coincheck the past January. The most recent hack took place on July 9th, so that's the last month, not June. And when hackers basically swiped 23.5, is that correct? Yes, 23 million worth of cryptocurrencies from an Israeli platform called Banker. And the increasing frequency of hacks points to the vulnerabilities of cryptocurrencies and the platforms people use to trade them, adding to broader investor worries about fraud and lax regulation of the industry. And obviously this brings a sort of a bad name to the cryptocurrency, because why would someone want to invest? But okay, let's leave that thought for a little bit later on. As from basically what I'm trying to get is the many attacks actually have been centered around Asia, which is the hotspot for cryptocurrency trading. And 4 of the 7 attacks so far this year have been in the region, with over 800 million worth of cryptocurrency stolen, already more than any other year. I mean, cyber thieves could be targeting more popular trading venues, a potential risk for investors in US and anywhere else in the world, basically. And unlike stock exchanges, which facilitate trading but don't actually hold securities on behalf of investors, many cryptocurrency exchanges charge fees for trading and also store currencies for their customers. Analysts actually say that makes cryptocurrency exchanges like a sitting ducks. Thieves that manage to break in and can do something akin to like robbing a bank, getting hold of valuable cryptocurrencies that they can basically just cash out and trade like it's their own. I mean, obviously holding your crypto assets on a crypto exchange is not something that anyone should actually do, but there is so many tokens, and we know that there are wallets and apps and crypto assets trying to sort it out. I mean, we've got cold storage. We've got also the Ethereum Labs that's currently releasing the phone where you can also have your offline storage wallet, but it's $1,000. And even though I am an Apple user, I still think it's a bit weird concept to pay for a crypto wallet that much money. So guys, let me know your thoughts about Ethereum Labs and the $1,000 phone that they're offering to the cryptocurrency fanatics. But let's go back to the topic of cryptocurrency hacks, because as always, I'm getting carried away. Yes, as I always do. So where was we? Well, yes, I've got a quote now. So cryptocurrency exchanges, according to Robert Statica, which is the president of BlackFX, which is a cyber security firm in New York, said that crypto exchanges are easy to breach with minimum effort and expands from attackers and with maximum return on investment. And unfortunately, he is spot on. And especially the recent cyber attacks have hurt market sentiment. After a steep slide this year, Bitcoin dropped further, after the BitHam incident in June, currently sitting at around 7,500 Bitcoin traders. It trades like around its low for the year and well of its all-time high near 20,000 established last year. And the hacks are obviously bad for users, bad for the exchanges, and terrible for confidence. If you don't have a confidence in where you're storing your crypto assets or where you're even just having them for investing, how can you really trust any of this? I mean, I'm not trying to be bearish or spread any FUD, but I'm just trying to put into perspective that, for example, cryptocurrency exchanges make so much money, and they should be able to provide some sort of a higher security and be aware of the hacks that are happening, especially that we're trying to bring crypto to the masses. This is not exactly the safest option. And obviously, not all investors are ruffled by the hacks, but I've got an example of Retai from Seoul, Lee Gui Im. Sorry if I said it wrong, honestly. She basically hasn't been able to access her cryptocurrency assets for a month after CoinRail, which is also another South Korean exchange, breached last month and temporarily shut down all services. Surprisingly, that hasn't discouraged the 61-year-old from continuing to attend meetups to identify her next cryptocurrency investment. So this is the right attitude to have. Don't ever give up on crypto. There is something more to it than just Lambos and going to the moon. And obviously, I'm not trying to say that Asian currencies are the worst, because every exchange is in danger of hacks, and this isn't just CoinRail's problem. It's just something that can happen. And currently there are 205 cryptocurrency exchanges in operation. Most of them are based in Asia, and that info is basically from CoinMarketCap, which you can guys find yourself on their website. And South Korea basically has been like a ripe area for hackers because of the market's rapid growth in a short amount of time. The South Korean won is one of the most commonly used fiat currencies for trading cryptocurrencies. And there simply are many targets there. And some exchanges have not been able to maintain the proper level of defense as they have grown. A government inspection of 21 cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea earlier this year found that no firm met all 85 inspection standards established by authorities, but there is no law actually to penalize exchanges that fall short of them. And going back to Bitham, they said late June it is working with other exchanges around the world to track down and recover stolen digital coins that may have been moved to other trading venues. CoinRail is also planning to resume services on July 15th after a month-long operating hiatus, and the exchange said it has so far recovered 3 types of virtual currencies that were stolen, but hasn't disclosed how much it lost. So going back to what I just said and giving back the stolen funds, I made recently a video about a Kick ICO, and in any way they haven't asked me to do or anything like that. I've just done it because how honorable they actually were. So there was a hack. Their ICO got hacked, and basically they decided to be fair with their investors, with the people that believed in them, and they actually going to return all the money that has been stolen from them. And this is the sort of attitude we need. This gave me a faith of them, and I haven't heard of them before, and now I'm mentioning them for the second time. So it's the silver lining in the whole bad happening of it. But let's go back to what I was saying, and I also found an article from Wall Street Journal. Estimated that actually 40 million worth of digital coins were taken, and these are incredibly fragile technologies, are highly vulnerable to attacks. And there is this quote that I have, this analysis by Alan Curtis, which is a CEO of startup called Raider Relay. And Mr. Curtis's firm operates a newer type of cryptocurrency trading venue called a decentralized exchange. And obviously, Vitalik Buterin said what he said about centralized exchanges, and he hopes that they burn in hell. I mean, this is a bit dramatic, and the CEO of Binance said it's really mean of him to say things like that, because why wouldn't, it's quite a mean thing to wish for anyone to happen to. However, the Raider Relay, which has actually launched less than a year ago, operates a peer-to-peer platform that allows people to trade cryptocurrencies with each other directly, which is sort of a similar, like via Craigslist, for example, to buy and sell goods and services. And decentralized exchanges, however, tend to lack liquidity and make up a small percentage of the market's overall trading volumes. But if you guys want to find out a little bit more about decentralized exchanges, I made a separate video about it, so I don't really want to repeat myself. I hope you guys can understand it. So what do you guys actually think about the cryptocurrency exchange hacks and how much money has actually been stolen? Is there any stopping to it? What is actually going to happen? Like, honestly, I don't understand how something like this can be happening and no one's actually caring about it. I mean, I I'm gonna put a hand on heart. I do store some of my tokens on the exchange. And that's purely because I'm a bit tired of storing them in different places. I could sort it out, but this is the sort of a person that I am. And I've been lucky enough that my tokens haven't been stolen. But I know people who unfortunately weren't so lucky on the crypto Twitter, and I feel really bad for them because it shouldn't be happening. It should not be happening. So I'm going to get onto the comments, what you guys been saying right now. And after that, ask me some questions if you want to know something. And after that, I'm going to finish this video because it's quite late here, actually. So I've asked you guys a question. What is your solution to this situation? Yo, Epic hardware wallet. All I can say is that is one solution, one very good solution, of course. Better keep it offline. Cold storage. About cryptos, to be honest, and not be able to be stolen. Yeah, exchanges are hacked. So many exchanges I wouldn't trust. Hello. Best is cash under the mattress, unless the house burns down. No. Okay. So basically, all I'm trying to say is that, guys, like lots of people said already here, cold storage hardware wallet is probably the best solution for this sort of a situation where the crypto assets are so volatile and the cryptocurrency exchanges are doing quite a poor job. I wanted to say something else, but then YouTube will be unhappy about me using certain words. So unfortunately, I wish that this wasn't happening. And the numbers that I said in this video are shocking. And I think I might summarize in the description later on. But guys, let me know what you think. What is your solution to the current issue that is out there? And it is an issue. And it's 2018 and the crypto is about to become mainstream, hopefully. And this is not the best way. This is not the way to go into global adoption, mass adoption with so volatile market. Quite embarrassing, to be fair, I would even say. But guys, I'm gonna finish a bit negative today. It's not really like me, but follow me on Twitter at Altcoins. I've been talking a lot about it recently. I've been tweeting quite a lot because I just got so much to say recently. I don't know really why, but I do. So subscribe to Combust Ladies if you haven't. Hit the like button. Please hit the like button. It means the world to me. If we could have 15 before I finish, I'd be very happy. And subscribe to Combust Ladies, obviously, so you can stay up to date with all the videos we do. Let me know what you'd like me to review next. I feel like doing some altcoin review, like a low cap altcoin. It's been a while since I've done a video because myself, I've been investing in the top 20, top 30 recently and not really in low market cap. So I'll let you guys comment what you'd like me to review. Altcoins are on Twitter, Combust Ladies. Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and I'll catch you all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.